Alright, I'm trying to do this real quick in my lunch break. Not that I get lunch, but... So, our machine should be pretty similar on this side. Why the hell is that zoomed in so much? Should be pretty similar on this side. Yours has got the, I think, the button to push. Mine, I've got to hand crank it, but... If you pull all the way over, it should hold like that. So now, the key's going to go in like this. Except I can't look through the camera. Now, if you notice, I've locked that groove into the groove on this. So I'm just going to slide this forward. And they have these things which don't seem to fucking help me at all, but... So once you got it locked in the groove, so... God damn, the sun's pissing me off. So, this little groove right here, I'm sliding the key onto the groove. Now where it stops, you can use this thing, this little thing that'll stop it. But what I typically do, this might be where I have to actually have a third hand. And then you can just break this fucking thing. So, doing as I'm putting that groove right here, sliding it forward, you can either use the stop, or you can use this little shoulder thing to stop it, and then clamp it down. Now you gotta do the exact same thing with the new one, and making sure that you're getting that groove into the groove of the clamp. What I typically like to do since the keys may not be the exact same length, what I typically like to do is line it up on this edge. So if I think on yours you don't have this little thing, so I'll use another key and put it right up against there, so that way I'm at the stop, lock it down, come over here. Hopefully it's showing up because I can't see shit on the video. So now, let me flip it up. So now you see, I always want to line this edge up. So now they're both lined. I might lose a finger doing this, but let me flip around. Oop, no. So, yeah, once you got them flush here in the same height, that's when I think you would press your button. I mean, I gotta fucking jury rig this shit. So let's see. I'm not sure I'm going the right way. I'm not going the right way. Okay, hold on. Okay, so I'm just lining it up there. I'm still trying to figure this one out. So now they should look pretty identical. There's that one. Ow. Yeah, I've got to deal with all the little fucking metal splinters, but there we go. So let me know if that helps. If not, shoot me a text, okay? Love you, kiddo. Bye.